Hi, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Schroeder, and today in math, we will be doing Chapter 8, Lesson 5. You will need a pencil, and you will also need pages 515 to 520 in your books. If you need to rip them out, feel free to do that, or you can keep them in the book. If you need to pause the video, feel free to pause it and then come on back. All right, boys and girls, let's get started for today. So we have talked a whole lot about measurement. Echo me, measurement. So far, you guys were able to describe the length of something. Echo me, length. That means how long something is. You also talked about height. Echo me, height. That means how tall or short something is. And then we also talked about weight. Echo me, weight. We talked about how something can be heavier or lighter. Boys and girls, we're going to put all of our knowledge that we just learned together and do lesson 5 and talk about length, height, and width. Length, height, and weight. Are you ready? Okay, put your thinking caps on. Turn that light bulb on. You guys ready? All right, let's do some learning. All right, boys and girls, so I have these two lines. I have this line here. I have this line here. Well, I want to know which one is longer. I'm going to use connecting cubes to measure the length, echo me, length, of each line. Once we measure them, that'll help us decide which one is longer and which one is shorter. All right, boys and girls, help me count how many cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. This line was 6 cubes long. I put the number 6 and then I drew a picture of a cube to tell you that we are measuring in cubes. If I would have drew a paper clip, then that would have meant we were measuring in paper clips. But are we? No, we're measuring in cubes. So it's 6 cubes long. All right, now let's measure the other line. Help me count how many cubes. 1, 2, 3. Wait a second. If I'm measuring this line right here, should I put my cube all the way over here to start? No, why not? I'm measuring. Oh, that's right. We have to start from the beginning to the end. Thanks for reminding me. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did we finish? Nope, let's keep going. 7, 8, 9, 10 cubes. Whoa, that line is 10 cubes long. Okay, so which one's longer, the red or the yellow? The yellow is longer because it has more cubes. Well done, boys and girls. I thought I was going to trick you. All right, now I want to look at the paint can and I want to look at the cup of water. Just take a second. Okay, well, I'm looking at them and I want to decide what words I can use to describe it. I want to describe the paint can. So we're going to compare the paint can to the glass of water. Well, is the paint can taller or shorter? Taller or shorter? Good. It is taller. Echo me, taller. Nice. I know it's taller because we're starting from the bottom. When we measure, this one is higher. All right. Well, think about it. If it's taller, if it's bigger, is the paint heavier or lighter? Heavier or lighter? Heavier, absolutely. The paint can is bigger, it's taller, and it's heavier. Okay, so we just used some words to describe that paint can. I want to write some words now that describe this bison compared to the dog, okay? Can you guys give me some of the words that we've learned so far? That bison is what? Taller. Absolutely. It sure is. The bison is taller, so that means the dog is what? Shorter. Good. What's another word I can think of? Heavier, lighter. Did you say heavier? Good. The bison absolutely is heavier than the dog. Okay, well, think about the size of the bison. Bigger, smaller? Bigger. Good. It absolutely is bigger. Nice job, boys and girls. Thanks for helping me with that. All right, let's go to your math book pages now. Okay, so we should be looking at the same page. What I want to do is I want to draw our jars again, okay? So we're going to draw my big jar. We're going to draw my small jar. Grab your pencils. And again, if you cannot draw the jars, that is A-okay. Just try your best. Do your best drawing. It doesn't have to look perfect. I'm going to draw my big jar first. Here's my big jar. What shape did I just draw? A rectangle. That's all you got to do. Draw a rectangle. That's all. All right, and then I'm going to fill it in with the candy and the snacks that I had in there, we'll just say. All right, go ahead. Draw the jar. Draw whatever you want to put inside. I'll give you a couple seconds. All right, now let's draw our small jar. There you go. Did we put anything in the small jar? Nah, we didn't. So we don't need to put anything in this jar at all. All right, boys and girls, we have our big jar. We have our little jar. Well, I want to talk about which one is longer. Which one is taller? Think about the weight. You guys ready? Okay. Put a circle around the jar that is taller. Echo me, taller. Which one's taller? Big or little? Big. Good. So put a circle around it. Okay, now think about how much it weighs. If we put snacks and stuff in our big jar and didn't in our little jar, which one's heavier? Good. Echo me, heavier. Put an X on the jar. That is heavier. Well done. All right, let's keep moving on. All right, boys and girls, we have our pencil and we also have our chalk, okay? Listen to my directions. It is very, very, very important. Look at the two objects. Look at the length of each object. Circle the object that is longer. Echo me, longer. Well, which one's longer? The pencil or the chalk? Yeah, the pencil. So put a circle around it. Now draw an X on the object that weighs more. Echo me, heavier. Good. The chalk is heavier. Nice. All right, let's do number 2. We have a pair of scissors and we have a pencil sharpener. Listen to my directions. Look at the objects. Look at the length. Echo me, length. Good. Which one is longer? We're going to put a circle around the one that is longer. Echo me, longer. Put a circle around it. The scissors. Nice job. Okay, now let's talk about the weight. What is heavier? Put an X on the object that is heavier. Echo me, heavier. It's still the scissors. Absolutely. That pencil sharpener is super tiny and super light. All right, let's go to number 3. Look at the objects, the tissue box and the plastic wrap right here. Just the tissue box, just the plastic wrap. Look at the height of each object. Circle the object that is taller. Echo me, taller. Okay, which one is taller? Put a circle around it. Good, boys and girls. The tissue box is taller because the plastic wrap is laying flat on the table, we'll say. All right, now we need to put an X on the object that is longer. Echo me, longer. Which one's longer? The plastic wrap. Good. All right, let's look at number 4. It is the tin and it is the Play-Doh. Look at the height of each object. Circle the object that is taller. Echo me, taller. What are we putting around it? A circle. And that's right, it is the tin. Good. All right, now draw an X on the object that is longer. Echo me, longer. Which one's longer? The tin is longer. Good job, boys and girls. All right, I'm going to have you finish the rest on your own, okay? You're going to have to do the independent practice, and you're also going to have to do the homework. Until next time, boys and girls, I will see you later. Bye.